Have you ever imagined a world where every transaction is transparent, secure, and lightning fast, without needing banks or middlemen? Where information is managed in a decentralized way, and no one can alter it without consent? Well, that world already exists, and it's all thanks to blockchain. A groundbreaking technology that's not just revolutionizing the economy, but also reshaping how we think about security, privacy, and innovation. Today, we'll take a deep dive into what blockchain is, how it works, and why it's set to transform our digital future. Ready? Let's get started. Blockchain might sound complicated, but it's actually simpler than you think. Imagine it as a giant digital ledger. This ledger isn't stored in one central location. Instead, it's distributed across millions of computers around the world. It's like having a shared notebook, but instead of one person controlling it, everyone who uses it has a copy. Every page in this notebook represents a block, and these blocks are linked together to form a chain, hence the name blockchain. Now let's break it down further. Each block in the blockchain contains three essential components. First, there's the data. This can be anything from transaction details to medical records or even voting results. Second, there's a unique identifier called a hash, which acts like a digital fingerprint for the block. Finally, there's a reference to the hash of the previous block, creating a secure, interlinked structure. This setup ensures that if someone tries to alter a single block, they'd need to change every other block in the chain, a nearly impossible task when the network is decentralized and spread globally. So how does blockchain actually work? Let's imagine you want to send money to a friend using cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. When you initiate the transaction, it doesn't get added to the blockchain immediately. First, it's grouped with other transactions and sent to the network for verification. Here's where it gets exciting. The network uses a process called consensus to confirm that all the transactions are legitimate. This means that multiple computers or nodes on the network must agree that the transaction is valid. Once the transaction is approved, it's added to a new block, and this block is linked to the previous one. From that moment, it becomes a permanent part of the blockchain. This process not only ensures security, but also transparency. Every transaction is publicly recorded, yet thanks to cryptographic techniques, your personal information remains private. Think of it like a public bulletin board where everyone can see the transactions, but no one knows who made them. So why is blockchain such a big deal? The answer lies in its ability to transform industries. In finance, blockchain eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible. In healthcare, it ensures that medical records are secure, easily accessible, and tamper-proof, improving patient care and data privacy. In gaming, it opens up a world of possibilities through digital assets like NFTs, where players can truly own and trade unique in-game items. Take, for example, a gaming platform like Rival Rumble. Imagine you're a player who's earned a rare digital weapon. Thanks to blockchain, you can prove ownership of that weapon and even sell it to another player without worrying about fraud. Every transaction is recorded and verifiable on the blockchain, giving you complete confidence in the process. This concept is reshaping how we think about digital ownership, not just in gaming, but across all industries. So what makes blockchain so special? It boils down to a few key benefits. First, there's transparency. Every transaction is visible to all participants, building trust in the system. Second, there's security. Once data is recorded, it can't be altered, making fraud nearly impossible. And third, there's decentralization. There's no single authority or entity controlling the network, giving power back to the users. These features are already being applied in fields like supply chain management, where blockchain ensures that products are tracked from source to shelf, and in voting systems, where it guarantees fair and transparent elections. Blockchain isn't just a technology, it's a paradigm shift, a new way of thinking about how we interact with the digital world. It's secure, transparent, and accessible, with applications that stretch far beyond cryptocurrencies. It challenges us to rethink trust and innovation in a world that's increasingly interconnected. If this video helped you understand blockchain a little better, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our next deep dive into the future of technology. Drop a comment below and let us know. What excites you most about blockchain? Is it its potential in finance, gaming, healthcare, or something else entirely? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more insights and innovations.